Thank you notes are a way for us to, one, show our appreciation to our customers, let them know that we really do care about them, that they're more than just a sale or a number. If we complete a job, we'll send a thank you card to a customer, but we don't let it stop there. We'll send follow-up cards on special holidays and special occasions just to make sure that we're constantly top of mind with them, so the next time they need our services, we're the first one they think about. Here are the 4 things you need to know about thank you notes for customers. Thank you cards are one of the best bang for your buck when trying to build value with your clients. The reason why it's so valuable is because you're capitalizing on the clients that you already have and that relationship that you're already trying to build. You can nurture that relationship through thank you cards and showing your appreciation so that that business can turn into more work from those current clients, but also raving fans that send you amazing referrals for continued work.
Helps us establish a solid bond and good communication for further business and elaborate some of our qualities here at Sewell Pro, which is when you buy the experience, it's a family bond. We like to treat everyone with respect and dignity and keep things as smooth as possible, like really bond with our customers, and it's a good attribute to give them a thank you note for supplying us with their business. It helps both sides, our families and theirs.
Thank you notes are versatile because you don't just have to send them for closed business. We like to send a thank you note to our customers after we've provided them with a quote. It's just a way for us to show them that we really appreciate just having the opportunity to come out to their home and provide them a written quote. It speaks to who we are by giving them just something to show our appreciation before even earning their business. We even throw a $5 gift card to Starbucks in there just to really drive home that we just love to give and show our appreciation. Thank you cards lead to more business, which means a higher ROI. Your current customers are gonna feel more appreciated, so they're gonna send you more referrals and repeat business with those current customers. Thank you cards are the way to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. We'll see you next time.